In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MMD tools into Blender to enhance your workflow. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is fire up Blender. Once you've opened Blender, leave it running in the background, because we're going to do a bit of multitasking right now. Next, you need to open your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser that you're comfortable using. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the search engine and type in the keywords you're looking for. Usually, you want to find a safe and reliable site that hosts the MMD tools file. Once you've done your search, one of the first results should be the link you're looking for. Click on that first link. Remember to always be cautious and ensure you're on a legitimate website, especially when downloading files from the internet. Now, after you've clicked on the link, scroll down on the page to locate the download button. It should be prominently displayed, often in a contrasting color to draw your attention. Once you've found it, click it to start downloading. When your download is complete, go ahead and extract the file. You can do this by navigating to your Downloads folder, right-clicking the zip file and selecting Extract here, or choosing another destination for your extracted files. Once your extraction is done, switch back to Blender. In Blender, go to the top menu and click on Edit. From there, you'll want to scroll down and select Preferences. This section is where you'll be able to manage your add-ons in Blender. Inside the Preferences window, find the Add-ons tab. It usually sits on the left-hand side menu. Now, in the main window of the Add-ons tab, you'll want to focus on the top right corner where you'll find a drop-down button. Click that and you should see the option to install an add-on from a file or disk. Your goal now is to click Install from Disk. A file navigation window will open, directing you to browse your computer. At this point, you need to navigate to the folder where you previously extracted the MMD tools file. Look for the MMD tools zip file that you extracted earlier. If you see a file by that name, open it. Once the file is open, you're almost at the finish line. What you want to do is double-click the file to begin the installation. After the installation process is complete, you'll notice a new add-on entry appears. Make sure that it's activated by checking the small box next to it. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated MMD tools into Blender. This will make your 3D modeling and animation projects even more streamlined and versatile. Thanks for sticking through, and see you in the next video.